Forex is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. But that does not mean you can trade anytime you want. Some hours are quiet with little movement. Other hours are full of energy with the best opportunities. In this video, I will show you the best time to trade Forex in Nigerian time. I will explain all 4 sessions, the overlap, the worst time to trade, and how to choose the best hour based on your lifestyle. And if you stay until the end, I will share my best pro tips for Nigerian traders. Let's jump right into the video. Forex is a global market. It runs 24 hours a day from Monday till Friday. It opens Sunday night at 10 p.m. Nigerian time with the Sydney session. It closes on Friday night at 10 p.m. with the New York session. The reason Forex open all day is because the world is in a different time zone. When one market closes, another one opens. But here is the truth. The market is not always busy. Sometimes it is very slow. Sometimes it is very active. Think of it like a market square. In the morning and evening, it is full of people buying and selling. At night, it is empty. Forex works that same way. Sydney sessions open 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Nigerian time. This is when the week begins. It is the quietest session, no much movement. It is better for pairs like AUD-USD and NZD-USD. But for beginners, this is not the best time. Tokyo session opens 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Nigerian time. Here, the Japanese yen is most active. You will see pairs like USD-JPY and GBP-JPY move more. This session is calmer with smaller moves, and many traders use it to prepare for the London session. London session opens 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nigerian time. This is the busiest session in the world. Most banks and institutions are in London, and over 30% of Forex trades happen in this hour. Pairs like Euro-USD, GBP-USD, USD-CHF tends to move most. And this is the best time for Nigerian traders because it matches our daytime. New York session opens 2 p.m. and closes 11 p.m. Nigeria time. This is the second most active session. It becomes really powerful when it overlaps with London. Pairs like Euro-USD, GBP-USD, USD CAD, gold moves more strongly in this session. Most US news comes out in this session, so there can be long movements and volatility in this session. London, New York overlap 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Nigeria time. This is the golden time to trade, where London and New York are open at the same time, where liquidity is very high, spreads are tight, and volatility is strong. This is the best time for day traders. So it is advised that you should trade pairs like Euro-USD, GBP-USD, USD CAD, or gold during this session. We also have another overlap session which is not much talked about or not much popular, which is the Tokyo and London overlap, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Nigeria time. But this is actually a short overlap because it is just only 1 hour. But it can create early moves before London session opens. So traders could actually prepare themselves with this overlap while waiting for London session to open. And it is good for GBP JPY and Euro JPY to catch just little movements. In Sydney, the best pairs are AUD USD and NZD USD. In Tokyo, look at USD JPY, GBP JPY, or AUD JPY. In London, the best pairs to trade in this session are Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CHF. In New York, you can trade Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, gold, or USD CAD. Also know that choosing the right pair at the right time will improve your result. The market is open 24 hours a day. That doesn't mean that each hour is worth trading. Here are some hours or some period that you should avoid to trade in Nigeria. Late Sydney hour between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Nigerian time, because the market is very slow. Monday morning before 9 a.m., the market is actually still waking up from the weekends. Friday evening after 7 p.m., traders are already closing their positions for the weekend, so the market is very quiet at this time. Also, during big holidays like Christmas or Easter, during high impact news release like NFP, PPI, FOMC or CPI, the market tends to move aggressively. News moves the forex market. Important news like interest rate decision, non-farm payroll, and inflation reports usually happen during London and New York session. News can actually create huge opportunities, but can also be very risky. If you are a beginner, avoid trading during major news events until you have more experience. Trade when you are awake and sharp, not when you are tired. Don't chase trades during dead hours. Always stick to one or two pairs in each session. Keep a journal. Write down the session that gives you the best result. So, the best time to trade forex in Nigeria is London session 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the London New York overlap at 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. This is when the market is alive, liquid and profitable. Avoid dead hours, trade smart, and remember, quality trades are better than many trades. If you learned something from this video, please like, subscribe, and also share your best trading session in the comments. Also remember to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. In that Telegram channel, I share my tips, I share my trading ideas, and I share signals over there. So if you want to be part of my community, do make sure to connect with me on Telegram. Also, you can also connect with me on all social media platforms at emfx_trades. The link is in the description box. Thanks for watching, and always remember, stay liquid and stay profitable.